Hello everyone. If you just got your Aura digital frame and you don't know how to turn it on, then this video is going to guide you step by step. So first of all, you need to start with the basic setup. You need to connect the Aura frame to the power adapter that came in the box. After that, you need to plug it into the wall socket. The frame will automatically turn on and there is no additional or any traditional power button available. Within a seconds, you will see the welcome page or the setup screen. Now, if your frame is already set up but screen is off, you just have to tap or swipe on the touch bar on the top of the frame. And as soon as you do this, the screen is going to wake up instantly. Now, Aura frames go into the sleep mode automatically to save energy. So this particular thing is normal. Now, if the frame does not turn on, you just have to make sure that the power cable is firmly connected to both the frame and the outlet. You can also try a different power socket. Check if the adapter is the original one provided by Aura, and once proper power is applied, the frame is going to basically turn on automatically. Now, if you want to enable the automatic turn on and off option, you just have to basically download the Aura frame application on your phone. Now inside it, go to the frame settings. Inside frame settings, you will see the option of on and off. So when you click on it, bunch of different options will be shown in front of you just like so. So here, if the automatic option is selected, it is going to basically turn on and off automatically based on the settings. But you can also schedule it, and you can also basically select the time zone, and you can select display on or off and time zone. So after selecting all of these options, you just have to basically confirm these settings and make sure that the tick is available right next to it. So this way you will be able to turn on an Aura digital frame in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.